Welcome
to EP4, How to Build a Digital Literacy Skill. 1. Master the basics of digital tools. Learn to use word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software, e.g., Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Get comfortable with email, messaging apps, and video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meet. Practice file management, saving, organizing, and retrieving documents.
2. Develop information literacy. Use search engines effectively, e.g. Google Advanced Search Techniques. Evaluate sources for credibility. Check author credentials, publication dates, and domain types, adu.gov.org. Learn to spot misinformation and fake news. 3. Strengthen online communication skills. Practice respectful and clear communication in emails, forums, and social media. Understand digital etiquette, netiquette, and tone in online interactions. Collaborate using shared documents. 4. Create and share digital content. Explore tools for creating blogs, videos, infographics, or podcasts. Learn basic graphic design with tools like Canva or Adobe Express. Understand copyright, plagiarism, and ethical sharing of content. 5. Stay safe and secure online. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Recognize phishing scams and suspicious links. Understand privacy settings on social media and apps. 6. Adapt to new technologies. Stay curious. Explore emerging tools like AI, VR, or coding platforms. Take online courses, e.g. Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, Khan Academy. Join digital communities or forums to learn from others.
Thank you, and make sure you subscribe.